Open a new composition, scrub to the beginning of your composition, and add text. Right-click the text layer you created, hover over Create, and create shapes from text. Delete the original text layer you originally created. Open the package contents of the shape layer, click the button next to Add, and select Trim Paths. Open the contents of Trim Paths, set the start value to 100%, and then click the stopwatch. Move to about 2 seconds, and then set the value to 0. Right-click those keyframes, hover over to Keyframe Assistant, and select Easy Ease. Select the graph editor, and set your speed ramp to be fast in the beginning and slow towards the end. To finish the animation, add new keyframes at the end of your clip in the reverse order in which you first added your first keyframes. Once again in the graph editor, make these new keyframes slow at the beginning and fast at the end. Add a colored background. And if you have Red Giant's Universe, you can add a Longshadow Effect to get this result. If you don't have Red Giant's Universe, in the description below I've provided a link to a tutorial by Polygon Motions who shows how to create a Longshadow Effect using built-in plugins. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.